Hey, it's Rock here. Still working on belt buckle going around my knees. What I'm starting to feel right now is, my lower back is starting to relax a little bit. Feeling the tibialis anterior address. I feel like I'm getting set up. Feeling this kind of activate. My lower back is starting to relax, and I'm kind of keen on that to get my belt buckle turned around my knees. Okay, so I'm going real slow right now, trying to just be so patient to allow this to stay relaxed and feel like I'm getting here. Feels like I almost have to go in slow motion. It's definitely affecting how I'm hitting it, but I feel like I got to keep working on it, feel like I get in here as best as I can. I just feel like this side, go right in here, go oblique, back right in here. That's where I'm feeling finally starting to operate, so I can get around this knee. This has to move. This right here, it's got to move around without this knee going. And then on this side, same thing. And when I start coming through impact, this side, this has to move. It's got to free up for that to happen. So keep going with it. Alright, that was the best one. Starting to feel it. Feel these obliques starting to relax. So let's go ahead on the last ball here, see if I can go a little bit faster. Okay, didn't quite free up the same as the one before, so just keep working on it. Do a lot of stretching, trying to get back. Feel like this relaxes. Obliques in here, trying to get those to relax, so keep working on it. Thanks guys, see ya. Okay, doing the same thing with 7-iron, trying to get really set up the dress, tibialis anterior, both legs. Feel like this lower back is relaxed in the dress, and go ahead and try to maintain that. Okay, good shot. A little left of the flag. I'm going to try it now. Left bunker on the 8-iron. So try that out. Okay, about 10 feet, real good shot. So just feeling like get set up, tibialis anterior, lower back. Feeling like I keep this relaxed as much as I can. Keep turning through. It's feeling really good. So that was 8-iron, about 160, comfortable.